my channel. Hope you're all doing good. So to the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So without much delay, let's begin with today's video. So about today's video not going to review any product. I'm going to help you with a small tutorial on a simple makeup look, which is a monsoon makeup look. Usually monsoon is a time where you don't want to wear heavy makeup because if something goes wrong, I know it would be waterproof makeup, but heavy makeup is very difficult to carry around. So I'm here to show a simple makeup look, that too without any eyeshadow palette and blush or a glow. So yeah, let's begin this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm done washing my face. I have applied a toner, a moisturizer, as well as I'm done applying a primer. Primer is very important, guys, because primer helps you to cover all the pores and it gives you that even texture. When you apply the makeup, your face will look even and complete. So what next? I'm also done applying the lip balm. So let's begin with the makeup. First of all, I'm going to tie my hair out because hair needs to be tied up when you're applying makeup. So yeah, I have tied my hair. Now let's begin. First, I'm going to use a BB cream, guys. Instead of a foundation, I'm going to use a BB cream. This is a Spins BB cream. And I like the texture, the color, it matches my complexion as well. There's no shade there's no shade in this, you get only one shade, but luckily this matched my complexion, so I like this one. And even the price is not much. The price is around how much is the price? Oh god, yeah, this is priced at around 57 rupees, so that's fine. So let's begin with the makeup. I'm going to apply dot everywhere. And guys, I'm not going to apply it using a beauty blender or something. I'm only going to use my hands today to blend as well. Very little bit of quantity of this BB cream is enough to cover your complete face actually. That's a good thing about this. It's a very long time that I've been using this BB cream and it has not yet finished. The quantity is just 15 gram. This is a package and it has really worked well for me. So I'm going to rub it on my face like this. It has a oily texture. I don't think this would be a great idea for the ones with the oily skin. I have a combination skin, so yeah, it works for me. That's the best part of having a combination skin. Yeah, guys, I'm done applying it somewhat. This BB cream is in a yellow undertone, so yes, I'm done applying this. What next? I'm going to apply a compact so that this is set properly. So I'm going to use the compact from Faces Canada, as you can see. And I don't remember my shade. I don't exactly remember my shade, guys, but I don't know where it's mentioned. No, I don't know my shade. I think they hardly have mentioned it anywhere as well. This is the one with SPF 20. Yeah, it's Sand 4 and it's with SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter, which is a very good thing about this product. So guys, if it is any weather, don't forget to apply the sunscreen because The sun is strong these days. With the polluted air, it adds to skin damage. So yeah, I'm done applying the compact as well, which has actually covered me very well. Now the next thing is I'm going to do my eyebrows, guys. So let me start with my eyebrows. Beautiful, beautiful eyebrows. So while you do your eyebrows, the secret is very important thing, guys. Don't start with the beginning of the eyebrows, let it be from a little later, because otherwise the eyebrows might look drawn, as if you have drawn the eyebrows. See this? When you leave and start from a bit later, it looks natural. It gives a natural look to your eyebrows. So yeah, I'm almost done with my eyebrows. Yeah guys, this is my eyebrows and I'm done with my eyebrows. Hope you like it. This eyebrow pencil is the same local store one which I showed in my no makeup look. If you haven't watched my no makeup look, the description box has the link. Please do watch it. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I will do my eyeshadow and my blush. So as I told you, I'm not going to use a blush. I'm not going to use an eyeshadow for this makeup. So instead of that, I'm going to use this lipstick. This is from Color Bar. This is an orange shade. The reason I've chosen this orange shade is because the dress that I'm wearing, it has an orange undertone along with the red color. So I thought, let me try something. I'm trying it, guys. This is just an experiment. Hope so it turns out good. And so I'm going to mix orange and red. So I'll begin my inner eye corners with the orange color. The orange color is going to be from the inner corner. So let's begin. It's going to be a very light eyeshadow that I'm going to apply, not too strong. And I'm going to blend it towards the outside. Yes, I'm done with my light orangey eyeshadow. The same thing with the other eyes as well. So almost done. Yeah. I'm done with both the eyes. Now I'm going to apply a red color eyeshadow or a red color lipstick from the outside. I don't know where I kept it. Yep. So I have this red color lipstick from Faces Canada. It's a light reddish shade, not a strong one. So that's the reason I like it. Actually, I ordered it thinking that it's a very dark shade. But I don't know, I fell in love with this color once I got it. That is a problem with online shopping, guys. You don't know what you're going to get. It's always a surprise. So from the outside, I'm going to blend it. towards the inside, so that it has a mixture of red and orange. Hope you like my eyeshadow, I don't know. Yes, I'm done blending it towards the inner corner. And now, to mix and match them both, I'm going to use a highlighter, which is the Wet n Wild highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's a Mega Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild. So this one is going to stay in the middle. Hope you like it. So guys, please do share in the comments on how you like my look once it's done, okay? So yes, I'm almost done applying this. Yes, it's done. So my eyes, not eye makeup, the eyeshadow is done. So now I'm going to use the same thing to have a glow. I'm going to use the red lipstick again. This is a mauve shade, so I feel that I can get the color I want on my blush. I'm not going to use a contour right now because I want a simple makeup look. Yeah, it has given me that light reddish mauvish. Yes guys, the right amount of red or the glow you require is here. I'm going to do the same thing on my other cheek as well. I feel you don't actually need a brush while you apply the makeup. The finger is the best brush. So that's what I've been trying to do in this video. So the last thing I'm going to do right now is, oh, I didn't finish a lot of things, not the last thing. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this highlighter that is on the tip of my nose. And nose bones, the middle of my forehead, the cheeks, on my lip bone, on my chin. Yep, that's it. And I'm going to blend it well. Yes guys, I'm done. So the next thing guys is what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this kajal. This is a kajal from NYB. I have reviewed this product a few days ago and I'm in love with this. So in case you like this, please do. If you want to know the review of this product, please do find the link in the description guys. It is available in the description. I'm done applying kajal almost for one eye. I'm doing the same thing with the next one. Yeah, I'm done applying the kajal. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So this eyeliner is from Stay Quirky. You can see this slit. It's a sort of sketch pen. It's not a brush, guys. That's the reason I like this. It's very easy to apply. So let me begin applying the eyeliner. So as you can see, I'm done applying my eyeliner. I don't know, my phone just stopped shooting. I don't know what happened. I just realized once I was speaking that I was not getting recorded. Okay, so I'm done applying the eyeliner, guys. The next thing I forgot to do is the highlighter on my this part below my eyebrows. Yes, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the lipstick. It's all messed up. Okay, so here is my lipstick. Okay, before this I'm going to apply an orange undertone for my lipstick because my dress is a combination. I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but actually my dress is a combination of orange and red. So yeah, I like to use my fingers even for applying lipsticks. It's really very helpful. So yeah, I'm done applying a very light shade of orange. I'm not going to do my lips too strong or too dark. Yes. The orange part is done. Now I'm going to apply the red part. The worst part about Faces Canada was only and only their makeup remover. I'm liking all other products. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe it didn't suit my skin. Yes, guys, done with the lipstick. Yes, guys, I'm done with the lipstick as well. So, done with everything and only the mascara is left out. So, I'm now going to apply the mascara. This mascara is from Blue Heaven. And I love this mascara. It gives a very good effect. Long eyelashes curled up. Every effect is available in this single mascara, and it is also very budget friendly mascara. So that is the best thing about this. Yes, I'm done. So let's get the final effect, guys. I'm done with the makeup. I'll give you the final look. Get back to you soon, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm almost done with my makeup look. I have applied a bindi and I'm going to change my earring and I'm all set. Yes, guys. So that's it for today. Hope you like this look. Please do comment on how you like my look. This is a complete red look that I have got up, and I'm pretty much impressed with my eye work and my blush work. Let me know how you liked it, okay? So hope you like this look, and this is a monsoon look. I'm ready. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care all. Love you all.